Hello everyone, Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you are having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. The sun is shining. It's about 93 degrees. Another beautiful day here in sunny Southwest Florida. For today's home tour video, I'm going to be taking you on a tour of a St. Augustine 3 brought to you by Christopher Allen Homes. I'll put some more info on Christopher Allen in the description box below, and also the specs of the St. Augustine. They run two different packages, a luxe package, which is the higher end, and then a regular run-of-the-mill package, which doesn't really have all of the bells and whistles. Just an FYI, we're not going to go into the garage because they just finished doing the epoxy seal for the garage floor. So it'll be a little bit sticky and messy, so we're going to avoid the 3-car garage. We'll just do a quick pan for you, but I'm going to do a walk and talk because time is of the essence. We're heading to another model to bring you guys another beautiful home to take a look at. So let's get started on this one. So coming in, we have a nice open floor plan. Christopher Allen does very well. They have very nice floor plans, open design, good fixtures, good finishes, nice neutral colors. As of right now, we are in the dining area, but as you can see, very open concept. Granite countertops here, nice 42-inch cabinets with a stainless steel package. Fit a couple bar stools here so you can eat and hang out here. Obviously, as you can see, perfect for entertaining. We're gonna do a quick pan here in the garage for you. Inside laundry. And let me see without falling. As you can see, nice 3-car garage, plenty of space with the nice epoxy and speckled non-slip garage floor. That's part of the upgraded package. I'm going to take you guys over to the primary bedroom. Carpet in the bedrooms on this one. There is an option if you wanted to add tile, you can, obviously at a cost. You've got 2 closets here if you want to take a quick peek at those. And we will kick it on over to the main bathroom. Dual sinks, plenty of cabinet space. We've got a little storage closet there for towels and other items. Nice walk-in shower. And mind you, you see certain little tape marks here. That's for the punch out. They'll come back through and do all of their touch-ups before their final walkthrough, and water closet is there. Head on over to the guest bedrooms. Call this one guest bedroom 3 because it's at the back of the house. Could be doubled as a den. I mean, you can fit a twin size or bunk bed in here, possibly a full bed. If you do not have a larger family, this could be definitely used as an office or den for you if you work from home. Bringing it on over. Pretty standard. You guys have seen this before. Bedroom up front. This is one of the larger guest bedrooms. So if you have young children and they're at a certain age, they'll definitely be fighting over the space for this particular room. Guest bathroom in between these two. The tile from the tub all the way up to the ceiling also has granite top, nice cabinet finish. And the last bedroom here, definitely a little smaller than the bedroom up front, but still plenty of space. You can do bunk bed, full, maybe a queen. Not many people put kings in the extra bedrooms. give you guys a quick peek at the lanai, and then we will close this video out. Watch your step. So nice lanai under truss. They do not put screen up just in case you do want to put a pool in. It's not terribly expensive to add it. If you want to do a pool later on, you can always put it up. But a good amount of space here under truss, and as you can see, decent sized backyard and no one behind you at this point. That could change, at any time. If it is available, you could even purchase that and extend it. But overall, not a bad property. This one is located in the southeast, but it is already sold. If you are interested in this particular model, like I said, I'm going to put the specs in the description box below and kind of give you a little bit of information and background on it. But if you have any further questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 239-823-1685. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and that will motivate me to bring you more home tours here in Southwest Florida. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.